Book Price launched new Quick Read in effort to boost adult reading rates. In an initiative that aims to widen access to Booker Prize-winning authors is set to launch this week, as research finds that more than a third of UK adults find it hard to read books top to the end. The Booker Prize Foundation is launching a short story collection intended all around the world, including work by the Booker Prize winner Anna Turner, David Chaucer, and Booker Prize nominees Davina Muhammad. The collection was curated by another former winner, Roddy Dillon. Data from the forthcoming State of the Nation adult reading report shows that 55% said they read less than they intend to, while while 90% of 16 to 24 years old said they account not usually find themselves or their culture expressed in books. The reading agency is expected to publish the full report later in the summer. All Around the World will distribute as part of the Quick Read Initiative, which is in 20 years of seeking to improve adult literacy. Readers will be able to pick up the book from Tuesday, and the Booker Prize Foundation will donate 12,000 copies to people who face barriers to reading. The book will also donate to the foundation Foundation Reading Programmes, Book Unlocked, in other national and community forums such as book banks. The collection will be made available as free digital and audio download for winners of the week's big issue, and 3,000 physical copies will be distributed via vendors of the making regulars and national big issue vendors who work in central London. Sight reading is almost like mindfulness. The text you enter in central London. Sight reading is almost like mindfulness. The text you enter in different towers while keeping you in the here and now. The Booker Prize winning writer Roddy Dillon, who was tasked with curating the text showed the book and information to read. In an interview with the BBC, he said, "Quick read is like dipping your toe in the water of literature, with some of barriers that might put people off remote. A lot of people may feel they're nothing about their work in books. The story in all around the world have aspects playing, and I hope they are ready to face that. Actually, their life may be in here somehow." Other categories to more frequent and progress reading including the lack of children's time profession. For teen respondents, a survey by Foundation Wu said that they often book before finishing that so because they lost insurance for 22% said she did to not have enough time read, while 21% cited the cost of book reason of buying literal more often, a sign that when book exhibition relevant and easy to fit by pussy life, more people discover the pleasure and power of reading. The findings from our research show that many adults want to read more, but factors such as limited time, content, genre, and confusion can get in the way. We hope this collection helps spark a reading habit that lasts a lifetime, opening the doors to new stories and perspectives and new possibilities.